Hey guys, welcome back to Ulan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Near Wallet not showing balance. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now in this case, the first thing you want to do here is you want to check your interconnection. Now sometimes if you have a faulty interconnection, or if you have a pretty slow interconnection, or if your interconnection is not consistent, then sometimes the connection itself can affect the actual app. So meaning you might not access your actual balance if your interconnection is pretty slow. In this case, try changing your interconnection. Like for example, if you're using your Wi-Fi, switch to your mobile data, or if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure if you're using the latest version of the app itself. In this case, go and open up Google Play Store, and from then on, look for the Near Mobile here. Now, in this case, go ahead and click on Update if you see any update button, and once the update is complete, go ahead and open it up and see if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do here is you want to go ahead and clear your cache. In this case, you want to look for Near Mobile, press and hold on it, you want to go to App Info, and from here, click on Clear Data at the bottom right, just click on Clear Cache, click on OK, and from here on, restart your phone and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Ulan app. Thank you for watching.